Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can activate Proton Mail encryption. So this is really useful because it keeps your emails private and secure from hackers. So make sure that you have access to your account before doing this. So once you're here, you will just have to go to your settings and then click all settings, and you will just have to wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just go to your security and privacy and scroll down a little until you see your encryption settings. So it should be somewhere right here. But yeah, it really depends on the layout of your screen. So it could be right here as well. So you just gotta explore that. But yeah, if you do have this feature, what you will have to do is you will just have to click enable encryption, and then you will turn on your end-to-end encryption for your emails. And you will just have to set passwords for external emails and optional step for extra security. And yeah, that's basically how you can do it. And after that, of course, you can also test your encryption and send the test email to ensure that the encryption works. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.